Hi guys, it's me Sahil and I'm sharing a critical update with regards to Canada travel. In the upcoming days, the travel to Canada could be drastically affected, and this is a declaration and an announcement that has been given by the federal government today itself. Now, what are the details is the main topic of the day. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we start this video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is a channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, I have a very important update, a critical update for all of you people who are willing to travel to Canada in the coming few days. Now, the Canadian government has clearly announced that any travel which is not essential in nature should be avoided, including the Canadian citizens as well. Now, if you go back to the year 2021, I still remember when I was on my flight to India back in the month of January. The Canadian government had once again, about 15 days or maybe 1 week before my travel, had advised on all the news channels and the Twitter handles that the Canadian government had said that do not travel if the essential reason is not there, right? So if the travel is like unavoidable, do not travel. Now after 1 week they had put up all the flight bans and everything. Now today as well, 15th of December 2021, once again they have clearly announced. Now this announcement, I'll just tell you the details. Now this announcement has been done by the health minister himself, and the federal government has backed it up through a tweet as well. Now what the health minister clearly says is that to those who are planning to travel, I say very clearly, now is not the time to travel. And these are his very clear words. The Prime Minister Justin Trudeau had also met with the premiers on Tuesday, and although they could not reach to a conclusion, but the Prime Minister had made it very clear that everybody should be avoiding any non-essential travel outside Canada, and this was made specifically for Canadian citizens and permanent residents. He further said that the holiday season is coming up. They will be taking up all the necessary measures to make sure that the holiday season is safe. Guys, right after this announcement of this announcement of non-essential travel came through, another announcement came through from the Ontario government, where the Premier Doug Ford also announced that the capacity limits are again going back in place, where he clearly says that the capacity for large venues and facilities with more than 1000 people will be reduced to 50% starting Saturday, December the 18th at 12:01 a.m. Okay, now this also says that not only the federal government but the provincial government is also acting up on it, because the Omicron variant related COVID cases and also otherwise COVID cases in the province of Ontario have been acting up. Now it's very critical that you guys take this very seriously, because you never know when the flight bans or the travel restrictions might be hitting up in Canada, and they will affect the global travel as well. Guys, I hope the video was helpful and gave you much insights into what's coming up next. If you still have any doubts, if you want to discuss anything, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, really hope to see you soon in Canada, and until then, I wish you all the best.